ITKWK in the kitchen with Kevin.
Welcome to In the Kitchen with Kevin. Today's how-to video is producing mini wheats with milk. And spoiler alert, chocolate chips. What? This may seem simple. You can sort of see my daughter in the back doing some prune plums, but this is one that you want to watch to the end. So you see, you start with the mini wheats. Now I would recommend either the white sugar or the brown sugar mini wheats. Lovely. I'm going to use, since I'm holding one hand with the phone, I'm just going to use my hand to dump this in. Very romantically. In case you're wondering, that's how you be romantic. Beautiful. Now, the trick to this whole meal right here is to make sure you add the chocolate chips. You take the mini wheats above and beyond. It's like Wayne Gretzky. You just dump some in there. There's not very many left, so I'm just going to dump the rest in. Oh yeah. Good camera work too, hey? Look at that. So we use the Hershey Chip-Its because they've got big chocolate. Pure semi-sweet. I'm using these because these are literally what's in the house. Now on to the milk. So this is where the problem that some people have with this meal is they have trouble making sure they have chocolate chips in each bite. I've got the 2% milk. I would recommend the full Homo milk, but this is what was in the fridge. I mean, if you're gonna have chocolate chips in your mini wheats, you want full fat milk. Obviously, as you're pouring the milk, you're a rock star. Look at that. I'd go to almost full coverage, but not full. Now, the trick here in this whole meal is the amazing camera work, but also as you stir up your mini wheats and your chocolate chips, you're going to notice that the chocolate chips fall to the bottom. So when you're scooping, you want to make sure you scoop right to the bottom and grab some. And that is how the cookie crumbles. Thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Kevin.